my shorts. Okay, here we go.
So good.
Hi!
I'm going to take a call. Oh, you are funny.
Cracker. Here comes Danny. Here comes Danny. Here comes Danny. Here he comes.
Uh-oh, run, Cole. Here he comes.
He's coming. I don't want to scare him. Here he comes. Oh, he's just jumping all over the place. Here he comes. He's doing like he did yesterday with all the kids.
With the kids. Uh-oh.
Stay out of my neck always.
Better hide.
Careful, don't get hurt. Whoa! You want to get by me? I caught you. Okay, carefully, carefully, carefully. Come on. Oh. I don't want you to get hurt. Whee!
Hide, Cole.
Uh-oh. Too many dangers in here. Too many dangers. Oh, he's got the funniest laugh. Catch it, catch it. Here it comes. Woo, catch it. It looks like you've been in through here too. There's stuff all over the place. What is going on? Oh, good gravy. Where's dinner? I need some strength.
What are you into there?